Modal auxiliary, ought to. Meaning, advice, obligation, similar to should. Form, structure, subject plus ought to plus base verb. You ought to study, she ought to go, they ought to help.
Importante, aquí sí usamos to.
Use advice.
Igual que should, para dar consejos.
You ought to study more, she ought to see a doctor, we ought to be careful. Negative, ought not to, oughtn't to. You ought not to smoke, she oughtn't to eat that.
Menos común que shouldn't.
Question form.
No muy común.
Ought I to go, ought we to start? Ought to versus should.
Son muy similares.
You should study, you ought to study.
Should es más común en inglés moderno.
Mini summary, ought to advice.
Como should, siempre lleva to. Es menos común que should.
Ought to, tenses. Ought to is mainly used in the present. You ought to study, she ought to go, they ought to be careful. Future meaning, using present form. You ought to study tomorrow, we ought to start later. Past, not common with simple form, use, ought to have plus past participle. You ought to have studied, she ought to have called. Other forms not possible to ought, oughting, have ought. Summary, ought to present, and future meaning, ought to have past advice. Tip.
Funciona casi igual que should, pero es menos común.
Thanks for watching.